Hello all. Welcome to this tutorial on how to import free characters and animations from Mixamo. Mixamo is a website where you get good characters and animations for free. It is a service offered by Adobe. Visit the site mixamo.com. You need to sign up at this site if you have not. After logging in, you will see two links, one for characters and other for animation. We will first explore characters. Here you will see many characters with wide range of variety. Choose the one that you need for your project and download it. The process to download is simple. Browse through the characters on left pane. Clicking on any one of it will show you the character on right pane. We will discuss later that to the chosen character you can apply animations from the animations link which you can download. If you just need the character, download it from the characters link by clicking on the download button. So, let us say that I click on the Vanguard character, I can see it appear on the right side. If you do not want animation but just the character, then press the download button. A pop-up appears which asks what pose the character needs to be downloaded at and in what file format. Click on download and it will be downloaded in the chosen format. If you want animations to be applied to your character, choose the animations link. Mixamo offers more than 2,400 animations which you can download for free. Type the desired animation in the search box and the animation will be applied to the character which you can see on the right side. Let us say I need a walk animation, then I can type walk in search and it will show list of related animations with a thumbnail preview. Just select the preview and the animation will be applied on your character on the right pane. So, if I type walk, I can see list of animations. And if I choose the walking animation by clicking on it, you will see it appear on our character. For every animation you can tweak settings for an animation. This typically includes parameters like overdrive, which controls how fast animation plays. Then there is character arm space, which sets the space between character arms. You can even trim the animation by selecting range of frames you want. Some animations change the location of the character. If you want an in-place animation like in this animation, check or uncheck the box as required. So, if I check it, we can see character no more moves position-wise but just at a single place. Mirror interchanges the bone movements from left side of character to right side and vice versa. You can download the animation by clicking on download. Clicking throws a pop-up where you can give inputs as to what file format you want, whether you require the character with or without skin, then the frame rate you want the animation at and keyframe reduction type. Generally, I leave it to default values. Press download and you are ready to use the downloaded animation into your project. Unity as well as Blender both support the FBX binary file format, which is typically used in them. Subscribe, like, comment and share my channel for more fun videos, and stay tuned for more.